Good morning, children. Already previous class we have discussed what is a variable, what is a constant, what is a term. Next, according to terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and multinomial. According to degree, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial and multi biquadratic polynomial. Next, based on that, we have discussed the first exercise, that is 2.1. Next, we have discussed the second exercise, that is 2.1. That is also very easy. Find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to and x equal to 1 by 2. First here write the given polynomial. That is, we have to take any name your child, that is p of x or g of x or whatever it may be. That is 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Here p of x, why you write here? All variables are x is there, therefore that is right p of x, or we have to write g of x, r of x, whatever it may be. Next here, find out the value of x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. First one is x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means here x is replaced by, that is 0. P of 0, that equal to 4 into 0 whole square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. Here 4 into 0, 0 only. Here also 0. Here is plus 3. 0 plus 0 plus 3, that equal to 0. That is P of 0. P of 0 equal, that is 3. Next one is, second one is x equal to minus 1. Here also same. X is replaced by minus 1. P of minus 1, that equal to 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. Here 4 into minus 1 whole square, that is minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole power, any even number is there, that is a positive only, that is 4. Here minus into minus plus 5 into 1, that is 5 only, plus 3. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, that is 12. P of minus 1 equal, that is 12. Next one is here third one, x equal to 2. Here x is replaced by, that is 2. P of 2, that equal to 4 into 2 whole square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. Here 2 square, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 into 4 minus 5 into 2, that is 10 plus 3. 4 into 4, that is 16 minus 10 plus 3. 16 minus 10, that is 6. 6 plus 3, that is 9. P of 2 equal to, that is 9. Next one is x equal to 1 by 2. Fourth one is x equal to 1 by 2. Substitute. Here P of 1 by 2, that equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Here 4 into 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. Here 4 get cancelled, that is 1. Here 1 plus 3 minus 5 by 2. Here that is 4 minus 5 by 2. Here find out the LCM and simplify. That is 1. Here the LCM equal, that is 2. Here 8 minus 5, that equal to 3 by 2 is the answer. Here see. Here given polynomial, right there, first P of x equal, that is 4x cube minus 5x plus 3. Here x is replaced by 0, minus 1, 2, 1 by 2. X equal 0. P of 0, that is 4 into 0 whole square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. 0 plus 0 plus 3. Here P of 0 equal, that is 3. X equal to minus 1, that is P of minus 1. 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. Here 4 plus 5 plus 3, that is P of minus 1, that is equal to 12. X equal to 2. P of 2, that is equal to 4 into 2 whole square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. 2 square, that is 2 into 2. 4 just 16. Here 5 2 is 10 plus 3. Here 16 minus 10, that is 6. 6 plus 3, that is 9. X equal to 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 minus 5 into 1 by 5 by 2 plus 3. Here 4 get cancelled, that is 1 plus 3, that is 4 minus 5 by 2. Here find out the LCM, that is LCM is the 2. Here 1 into, that is 2 times 2 into 4, that is 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3 by 2. Next question. Next question also, that is same only, same method. Here find P of 0. Here find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for each of the following. Each of the following. First one is P of x, x square minus x plus 1. Here see, here find the P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for each of the following. Here one polynomial is given, that is P of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. Here all variables also x only. In the first one is P of 0. Therefore x is replaced by 0. 0 whole square minus 0 plus 1. 0 whole square, 0 plus 0 plus 1. Or minus 0 plus 0, whatever it may be, both are same only. 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. P of 0 value is what? 1 only. Next one is P of 1. P of 1 means that is x value is replaced by 1. Here 1 whole square minus 1 plus 1. Here 1 whole square, that is 1. Here minus 1 plus 1. Here both are get cancelled, that is equal to 1. P of 1 value is how much? That is 1 only. Next one is P of 2. P of 2. Here x is replaced by, that is 2. Here 2 whole square minus 2 plus 1. Here 2 square, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 2 plus 1. That is 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Therefore P of 2 equal to, that is here one more time you see. Here P of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. Here substitute x value 0, 1 or 2 only. Here P of 0, x is replaced by 0. 0 whole square minus 0 plus 1. 0 whole square, that is 0 only. Again 0 plus 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is P of 0 equal to 1. P of 1, that is 1 whole square minus 1 plus 1. 1 square, that is 1 into 1, that is 1 only. Here 1 minus 1, both are get cancelled, plus 1. Here P of 1 equal, that is 1. Next P of 2, x is replaced by 2. 2 whole square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square, that is 4 minus 2 plus 1. Here 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next question. Here third question, P of z equal to, that is z cube. Here variable is z is there, therefore P of z equal, that is z cube. Here also same. Here z is replaced by 0 one time, z is replaced by 1 and z is replaced by 2. Therefore first one is P of 0, that equal to 0 whole cube. That equal to 0 whole cube is again 0 only. P of 0 equal to, that is 0. Next one is P of 1, that equal to 1 whole cube. 1 into 1 into 1 multiply n times, that is again 1 only. Therefore P of 1 equal, that is 1. Next one is P of 2, that is 2 whole cube. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Therefore P of 2 equal to, that is 8. Here one more time see. Here find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for each of the following. P of z equal to z cube. That polynomial is z. Therefore z is replaced by 0. P of 0, that is 0 whole cube, that is 0. P of 0 equal to 0. Next P of 1, that is 1 whole cube. P of 1 equal to 1. Next one is P of 2, that equal to 2 whole cube. Therefore 2 into 2 into 2. P of 2 equal, that is 8. Next question. Next fourth question here. P of t equal to, here t minus 1, here t plus 1, here t minus 1 into t plus 1, here also same variable is t there, therefore first one is p of 0, here variable t replaced by 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1, that is minus 1 into 1, therefore that is a minus 1, p of 0 equal to, that is a minus 1. Next one is p of 1, therefore that is here 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, here 1 minus 1, 0, 0 into 2, 0 into anything, that is 0 only, p of 1. Next one is, that is p of 2, p of 2 equal, that is 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1, therefore p of 2 equal, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1 into 3, p of 2 equal to, that is 3. Here see one more time, here find the value of p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following. P of t equal to t minus 1, t plus 1, therefore p of 0, that equal to 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1, therefore here this value is, that is minus 1 into 1, p of 0 equal, that is minus 1, therefore p of 1, that equal to 1 minus 1, here 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0 into 2, that is again 0 only, p of 2 equal, that is 2 minus 1, here 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, here 2 plus 1, that is 3, p of 2 equal, that is 3. Next question, third question. Here third question, that is verify whether the values of x given in each case the zeros of the polynomial or not. Here first one is p of x, that is 2x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2. Next the second question, p of x equal to 5x minus 5. Here verify whether the values of x given in each case the zeros of the polynomial are not. First, what is zero of the polynomial or zeros of the polynomial? Zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial means, that is solution of the polynomial. Solution means, suppose you have to substitute x value here, therefore 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1, therefore that is equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 1 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial, that is a solution of the polynomial. Solution or not, find out that one. Therefore x value substitution in that polynomial, same substitution only. P of x equal to, that is 2x plus 1. Here x is replaced by minus 1 by 2, therefore 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 2 get cancelled, that is minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1, both are get cancelled, that is p of 1 by 2. Therefore yes, x equal to minus 1 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial when x equal to 0 of the polynomial. Next one is here also same. Here p of x equal to, therefore 5x minus 5. Here substitute x equal to minus 3 by 2. P of minus 3 by 2. Therefore 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus 5. Here 5 into minus, that is minus 15 by 2. Here suppose you have to take 5 value, that is 22 by 7. That is simplified some value, therefore that is not equal to 0. P of minus 3 by 2, that is not equal to 0. No, x equal to minus 3 by 2 is not 0 of the polynomial. Not 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial, not 0. Therefore, that is the solution of the polynomial. Solution of the polynomial. 0 means. Therefore, here P of x equal to 2x plus 1 when x equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, P of x that equal to 2x plus 1. P of minus 1 by 2 that equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Therefore, 2 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. P of minus 1 by 2, therefore yes, x equal to minus 1 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial. Next, second question, P of x equal to 5x minus 5 where x equal to minus 3 by 2. Substitute x equal to minus 3 by 2. 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus 5. Minus 15 by 2 minus 22 by 7. That is not equal to 0. No, x equal to minus 3 by 2 is not 0 of the polynomial. Next one. Yeah, third one, P of x equal to, that is x square minus 1 where x equal to plus and minus 1. Here see, here x equal to plus 1 and minus 1 is there. Therefore, P of x equal to x square minus 1. First to take x equal to 1. Therefore, P of 1 that equal to 1 whole square minus 1. 1 whole square, that is 1 minus 1. P of 1. Here 1 minus 1, that is 0. P of 1 value is what? That is 0. That is 0. Next, same x equal to minus 1. P of minus 1, that is minus 1 whole square. Here minus 1 whole power 2. Therefore, that is 1 only. 1 minus 1, that is 0. P of minus 1 value 0. P of 1 value also 0. Yes. Yes, x equal to plus and minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial, that is a solution. Here see, degree is 2, therefore that is 2 zeros. Degree is 3, that is 3 zeros. Degree is 4, that is 4 zeros. Degree is 1, that is 1 0. Here 2 zeros, therefore that is degree is 2 means that is 2 zeros, plus 1 and minus 1. No other value. Okay. Next. Here sixth question. Here P of x equal to, that is ax plus b where x equal to minus b by a. Here see, here ax plus b where therefore P of x is replaced by minus b by a. Therefore a into minus b by a plus b. Here both are get cancelled, that is minus b plus b. Therefore that is 0. P of minus b by a equal to 0. Therefore 0 means yes. X equal to minus b by a is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. See one more time. Here P of x equal to ax plus b where x equal to minus b by a. Therefore P of x is replaced by b minus b by a. Therefore a into minus b by a plus b. A get cancelled, minus b plus b. Therefore P of minus b by a equal, that is 0. Yes, x equal to minus b by a, 0 of the polynomial. Next question. Fourth question. Yeah, fourth question. Find the 0 of the following. Fourth one. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Yeah, first question, f of x equal to, that is x plus 2. Next question, f of x equal to, same question, previous question, that is verify. Here is find the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial is for here equal to 0, therefore f of x equal to 0. F of x equal to what? That is x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. X equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. F of x equal to x plus 2. Therefore f of x equal to 0. Here f of x means what? That is x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. That is correct or not? Here substitution. F of minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 plus 2, that is 0 only. Yes, that is the 0 of the polynomial. Here also same. F of x equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. X equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means that is the solution of the polynomial. That is the solution of the polynomial. Next one. Here, third one, that is f of x equal, that is 2x minus 3. F of x equal to, that is x square. Okay, see, here f of x equal to, that is 2x minus 3. Therefore, here also same. Therefore, f of x equal to, that is 0. Therefore, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x equal to, here this minus 3 change, that is 2x, x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore x equal to 3 by 2 is the 0, the substitute here. Therefore x equal to 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Next, here also f of x equal to x square. Therefore f of x equal to 0. F of x means what? That is x square equal to 0. Therefore x square equal to 0 means x is also 0. Therefore x equal to 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Yes, see, f of x equal to 2x minus 3, f of x equal to 0, 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. X equal to 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. F of x equal to x square, f of x equal to 0, x square equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next one. Here, fifth one. Here, if 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, p of x equal to, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find a value. Find value of a. Here see, if 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, f of x equal, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find a value. First write the given polynomial. Given polynomial, that is p of x equal, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Here 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial, that is a substitute x is replaced by 2, p of 2, that is 2 into 2 whole square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a, here equal to how much, that is equal to 0, here equal to 0, therefore x equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, otherwise not 0, therefore here 2 square, 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 into 2, that is 8, minus 3 into 2, that is 6, plus 7, a equal to 0. Here 8 minus 6, that is like terms, therefore that is 2 plus 7, a equal to 0. Therefore this 2 is changing that side, therefore 7a equal to minus 2, a equal to minus 2 by 7. Here one more time, see, here if 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, p of x equal to what, 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find a value. First write a given polynomial p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Therefore substitute, here 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, so x is replaced by 2, then equal to 0. Therefore p of 2, that is 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a equal to 0. 8 minus 2 square, 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 into 2, that is 8. 8 minus 6 plus 7a equal to 0. 8 minus 6, that is 2, 2 plus 7a equal to 0. Therefore 7a equal to this 2 is change the sign, that is minus 2, a equal to minus 2 by 7. A value is what? Minus 2 by 7. If a equal to minus 2 by 7, therefore x equal to is the 0 of the polynomial. Next one, yeah, last question, sixth one. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x equal, that is 2x square, that is 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Find a value and b value. Find a and b. Here see, if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. First write a given polynomial. Given polynomial, that is f of x equal to, that is 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Next one is, if 0 and 1 are the polynomials, here 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial. Here zeros of the polynomial, first to substitute the 0, therefore f of 0, that equal to 2 into 0 whole cube minus 3 into 0 whole square plus a into 0 plus b. Here equal to how much, that is 0 only. Here this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, total 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus b equal 0, total b equal to 0. Next one is what is given now. Next 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, therefore f of 1, therefore 2 into 1 whole cube minus 3 into 1 whole square plus a into 1 plus b equal to, here also equal to how much, that is 0 only. Here 1 cube, that is 1 only, therefore that is 2. Here minus 1 whole square, that is 1. Here a into 1, that is a plus b equal to 0. Here 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 plus a. You know already b value, that is how much, 0 equal to 0. Therefore here a minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 1. Therefore the values are a equal to 1 and b equal to 0. Here one more time see. Here if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, find given polynomial f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, that is the given. Here 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. First we have to take x equal to 0. F of 0 equal to x is replaced by this 0. 2 into 0 whole cube minus 3 into 0 whole square plus a into 0 plus b. Here equal to 0. Why? That is the 0 of the polynomial. Here equal to 0. Here 0 whole cube, that is 0. Here 0, here 0. Total equal to 0. Next remaining is only b. b equal to 0. Next one is 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. F of 1 equal to 2 into 1 whole cube minus 3 into 1 whole square plus a into 1 plus b. Therefore 1 whole cube, that is 1 only, 2 into 1, that is 2. 1 whole square, that is 1 minus 3 plus a into 1, that is a plus b equal 0. Here 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 plus a. Here already you know b value, b equal, that is 0. Therefore a plus 0, that is a only. Therefore here minus a minus 1 equal 0. This minus 1 is changed the side, a equal to 1. Therefore final values of a and b, that is 1 and b. So a equal to 1 and b equal to 0. Therefore 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Otherwise not zeros of the polynomial. Okay, thank you.